See you, buddy. Good night. Eric Vatika. Something special? What is there? Oh, if something there, tell me. Nothing, huh?
Maybe we go together today, no?
No problem, Baba. No problem, Baba. We can. No problem, Baba. No problem.
Very big
Can.
problem.
What big problem?
So there you will get some money from me, no? Man, maybe 6, maybe PM only. Only last day. Only Friday.
Sorry.
I need on Friday now, only Friday. Maybe one.
How many days now you happy
Oh, maybe
at PM?
6. Maybe 6 in a month, man.
Oh really?
It's mixed, no? I don't know who tell him I want 9 o'clock. It's, you know, mine.
So how about this Charm and this other what's on this Yasin and this Majli? It didn't come?
Yeah, they will get the head. And sometime Joseph is the one. He's saying Maji have training. Somebody medical. He's not here. He have headache. I tell not that I you claim. Friday give off. So that we reduce the other day. No, he
Yeah.
don't want. He say Friday busy.
Always busy, man.
Friday, Saturday, not all time until we finish PH. Now you know what is his plan. To cancel PH again. If he's not come back next week.
So hope so next week.
Some PH there, everyone. He want to remove one rota not showing.
But he never removed to me, no?
No, the thing is, you lucky, no, you don't have many days before you came.
But you know, in Corona, COVID-19, I didn't come to work most of the time.
This one is not about coming. It's like vacation. That's why if you don't give, I said very big in the
How many you have?
It was our vacation. You remember the way you are going vacation? I was having already 40 days. Okay,
40 days?
Vacation, April and ticket. I have my ticket also. So the flight closed and Corona came. Then head office said, 2 months we are not working. We will take the days minus.
That's very bad. That's very bad luck, man. That time.
You know,
I
exactly what I mean.
yeah, I lost also 36 days.
Yeah, me also all my 40 people.
I
The thing is, Joseph not give. I have 15.
I have before how many? I have almost like a 56 days. But when he deduction after I have 30 days. But now I have I think so only like a more than 40.
Yeah, because maybe you didn't go annually. Me every
Yeah.
year I'm doing.
Ah, that's why, man. Let's see what happened.
Very tough to work to buy because we did everything. I am happy. The people who didn't receive salary better. It's less. Really. If you resign, you are paid. No?
But Ruiz,
For example,
I don't think so. He's the good time to give resign, man. Rui, not good, man. Really.
He have some business and doing section outside. I think it's good for him.
But it's okay. But not like fitness first, man. You know, not fitness first. You
The
can.
thing is, you know what happened to them? Their quota is increased and reduced. So he's making a lot of money. It's reduced also plus salary. That's why they starting feeling very bad. Because he make a lot, but you get too much more.
Very small.
So he's thinking he
Yeah,
can
no,
do
no,
that
no, no,
outside.
All PT he's taking session outside, man. All
Yeah.
PT. Yeah, man.
And if you do like that free runs, it's a lot of money. No? You remember Martin, one Kenyan, he's MC, town
Yeah.
center.
Yeah, yeah.
He become PT. Also, he's there, Marina staying. even 2 bedroom like this. He's doing session outside. Mean the money you make here for company, sometimes you can bring them 50,000 a month.
Yeah.
If you are outside, suppose you don't have too much wallets or you don't have too much money, you can get yours own only 15. It's okay, no? After pay house maybe 2,000, because this problem with this mafia PT job, they want to stay like Arbab, that they are not Arbab.
Yeah, man, all PT.
You see how gadget they have after we didn't get what salary decrease, we got that one. It's affecting all Filipinos stressed and all PT because they want to stay life very big, like they have car loan,
like a European.
they don't want, like they see you like this car, they don't like this car, they want like those car for rich
Yeah,
people.
yeah, like a sports car or like a.
Yeah, a lot of PT, you know, a lot of people PT, they have more than 5 girlfriends.
But for my son, I don't care, man.
Yeah, it's okay.
I need to
for
save.
me.
I need to
You
save
need
money.
to
I
save.
send
That's
to
why
home.
you have business. The thing is,
Yeah.
see, the PT people, they don't have business.
That's
they are
true,
doing
man, really.
only employment business. That means you work for another business. That is
You know this channel. Last time he spoke to me, na, someone told to channel, hey Jamil, he have own business now. After when he talked to me, he like get shocked now. He said,
Yeah.
oh really? You have business?
They cannot-
I told what happened?
Before he asked
He
me
say,
also,
oh,
how you make your house?
Yeah,
And I say, see how you guys, you know. And channel sometimes he deny himself also. He's like beggar like that since Sunil. But again, it's drama. But channel not too much. But others I used to see, even Jamira, another guy, Sri Lanka, he can be like that. Too much waste.
Yeah, not good.
He's
man.
not big
Why
salary.
you are
He's
here?
what my roommate. Fahim. Better Fahim don't like this man.
Oh my God, yeah, man.
You will say like girl, you didn't get the specific for other people.
He have family. He have
You
wife,
have family,
kids.
you have Filipino girlfriend, everything asking, you have car loan, you start saying sometime to Sarah, you have 500. Man, he's PT already.
Yeah, man.
Always like that room. You have stress. He's paying another Sri Lankan loan also.
See?
Tell man, don't stress yourself like this, man. Then he want to hide another girlfriend also now.
You have loan also, credit card?
No, I never had.
You don't have, huh? Me
Never
also,
had
I don't
one.
have loan. I don't have credit
In
card.
my country, here, anywhere, I don't like loan. I never
Also, I
had.
don't.
Even I have
This loan is
something-
very big headache, man.
No good.
If
The
you
thing
get it
is-
one time, oh my God! After you can pay like a 4 or 5 year
the
continuous.
bad thing with the loan, you are paying to that person. That's why they give loan, because they are the one benefiting.
Yeah, man.
Much better you sacrifice yourself, do business, and security your cash. No? Filipino, they say loan. See, like Chris, he's supposed to resign long time. He got loan like 40,000. What he do?
Nothing.
Now, Majira tell me, Eric, Chris too much stress now. Before
Why?
he get more than one frat. How you get frat with loan?
Really?
After all frat, no people now.
Oh my God.
All you are charging before 1,000. Now is they are telling you 500.
Oh
But
my
for
God.
him is bad space. It's not good, no? He need not to do. Then that time he buy one camera, 8,000. You know
Yeah,
that
man.
camera?
Oh my God.
Phones, bra. Too drama.
No, I don't
Expensive
think so.
things.
I don't understand why he buy this scooter also.
Scooter.
How much?
He
1,600?
have bike.
Only this
Man.
200 dirham you can buy.
Scooter and some things. My place I will buy 50 times 50 or 50 times 80 piece of land.
Yeah,
Okay.
man, yeah.
Same scooter only. That's why I don't want. And it's not because it's 2 kilometer only.
Only very. It's like you can
He
run like
was
only
using. Okay,
10
let
minutes you
him
can run,
to
man.
use the bike. The
Yeah.
bike he will get from the free from the his wife is nanny. Too much bike he got also
Yeah, man.
free from Lakes, Meadows. They will sell sometime garage sale 50 dirham. If you go to buy.
No, man. Sharjah, Satwa, there's a lot of man.
This girl is walking just now reach here.
What?
You know there's that saloon. She look like the one, no?
Where is that?
That they are going that side. Our saloon, the
Mhm.
one cutting here, that black girl.
Yeah. That's
She's
him.
the one, huh?
Yeah. She's living in maybe this area.
Yeah, by walk, huh? Very short, no?
Very
very sure. Cannot see.
Will be not very sure.
Especially Jonero, even Joseph also. Sometimes I tell before, why you give too much headache yourself opening umbrella? I will help Joseph and vacuum also. If Chacha not come. He's called...
here because signal is open.
Yeah, here. He will... Joseph
Jalla, see
need
you, man.
to step. He can step
See you
sometime.
tomorrow you meet shift, huh?
Yeah, man. 10 o'clock.
See you buddy, take care, bye bye.
10 o'clock I need to go, no?
Bye.
If I'm mid shift, very early going. I'm always on time.
See you buddy, thank you so much, huh? मुझे अपनी बस्ती की शर्म है, मुझे अपनी बस्ती की शर्म है, तेरी रिफ़ियतों का ख्याल है, मगर अपने दिल से मैं क्या कहूँ, इससे फिर भी शौक़े विसाल है। उन्हीं जिद है अर्श आसमां पर है, मुझे फिर भी अर्ज़े विसाल है। वही अभी भी उनका सवाल है, वही अभी भी मेरा जवाब है। तेरी याद में, तेरी याद में हुआ जब से गुम, तेरे गुमशुदा का ये हाल है कि न दूर है न करीब है, न फिराक है न विसाल है। ही याद आदम ओ वेला लोको, ते जदा महीना लिवसी दे हासे, हर वेले रली बांधे हासे, ते हिक दूज तो वखना रहंदे। मैकू समझ नहीं आंदी मेरा रब जाने, ते किड़े जुर्म दी दित्ती ए सजाए, मैकू यार दे बदले यार मिला चा, सारा कर सवा शुक्र अदाए। बेवफा यूं बेवफा यूं तेरा मुस्कुराना, भूल जाने के काबिल नहीं है। मैंने दो ज़ख़ी उठाया है दिल पर, वो दिखाने के काबिल नहीं है। बेवफा यूं मैंने पूछा कि कल जब कहाँ थे, पहले शर्माए फिर जल के बोले, आपे वो बात क्यों पूछते हैं जो बताने के काबिल नहीं है बेवफा यूं। बालो बत्तियां वे माही सपे मारो संगिलाना, पितली बनाई सोना बनी सिया मिलाना। मैं था ढोला मेरा चक्की वाले, मैं था ढोला मेरा चक्की वाले, मैं सवा ढोले दी बातें मेरे वे महया, मेरे आबे माया कोई विकार मिलो काए, वे इंजी बर्बाद की तैयो मैनू वेखण लोग आए। बालो बत्तियां वे माही सपने मारो संगिलाना, पितल बनाई सोना बने सिया मिलाना। जाने तो न था दिल के मामलात से, अनजाने तो न था। इस घर का फर्द था कोई, मेहमान तो न था दिल के मामलात से, अनजाने तो न था। झोले झोले भर दिया मिले वंजिया ढोला लुका की दई दो गल्ला जरूरी कर दिया मैं माही देखूं तो पानी दा मैं माही देखूं तो पानी दा। मेरा दिल कमिले नाल लग गया है या सोने दा सारा जग पिया है वो मिले वंजिया ढोला लुगा की दई दो गल्ला जरूरी कर दिया हमें